Hello friends, welcome back to my channel No Gyan But Fun. So here I am showing you something, making a creative background. For this I just need to scribble with sketch pens on plastic cover. You take a plastic cover and scribble with sketch pens on plastic cover, and then we will sprinkle some water on the plastic cover and paste it on drawing sheet reverse side like this. And we will need to keep it, let it dry for some time, minimum 5 minutes to 10 minutes you can keep it. It will look like this. And after getting dried, I have not dried, it's little wet, like damp sheet type. So here I am making the kids to draw easy butterfly. So I have a tray, watercolor tray. I have just traced the butterfly by putting that, and now you can design the butterfly with colors, anything you can draw. Okay, so this is the easy way where you can draw, and if you want to gift greeting cards, this is the easiest way where you can gift the cards also by drawing like this. So this is like I am just putting some more colors into it, and as I am doing bit Madhubani and Mandala arts, so I am using bit the texture of those arts here. For kids, they can just design something like they can make some round circles and pattern lines they can also draw into this, like pattern lines, some simple design lines. I have also used the simple lines only, but I have used the colorful colors more. So the butterfly looks good when we use more bright colors. Okay, so this is how we can do. So now I am just adding few patterns here to make it more look beautiful. Okay, so this is not only a butterfly, but the background, if you want to have a beautiful texture, you can do this. And it's very easy for the kids also. For the kids only, these arts are very easy. They can make the butterfly shape easily. So this is, I am just decorating it, and so this is how we can decorate. And I am trying to add one border also. You can draw any border, but as it's a butterfly, I preferred to add some flower border. Okay, I am just putting like lata type, though I am just scribbling it with sketch pens, but the children may draw more neatly. Okay, so this background texture is looks more good on greeting cards, or like if you want to prepare some wallpaper or some wallpaper, these will be a good art texture, and it gives the watercolors texture too. So this border can also be drawn using the paints, watercolors. However, I have completely used this art using the sketch pens and some like some gel pens I have used here. So hope you are liking this thing, and please try these arts. These arts will give some relaxation to mind and some refreshment to the kids also.